Hello, welcome back to another update. Today we're going to be talking about the new disturbances and some new stuff. So right here we have the Atlantic. We can see that 97L and 98L, I believe those are what their designations are doing pretty good in terms of their chances, with 98L actually being a high chance. So we actually could get a tropical storm, maybe even a hurricane. Dare I say major? Which is not likely at all. I don't think, anyway. And over here, we actually have a disturbance associated with Tropical Depression 10E. That highly won't develop. We also have a development area over here, which that area could develop. Now, as we can see over here, 91C, 90C, I think it was, I'm not sure. Over here, it has died, and there's really nothing going to do with it because it's died. And if it'll let me look at its things, they're only 30% chance. So it was a high chance at one point, and I actually thought we were going to get a tropical storm out of it, but it doesn't look like it. Now, over here in the East Pacific, we have, let me go over here real quick. Just find out how you pronounce that name. Oh wait, no, I need the Pacific Basin. It is pronounced Genevieve. Genevieve? What? Genevieve, I guess. If I'm pronouncing that wrong or right, please tell me down there. But for now, we're just going to call it Genevieve because, well, that. So here is Hurricane Genevieve. It is a Category 2 hurricane with 100-mile-per-hour winds. And let's look at it. This forecast track. This is expected to reach 140 miles per hour. So a mid-range Category 4. So we can see right here it is forecasted to, oh, actually right here, really early, probably even tomorrow, this could become a major hurricane. So we're going to have to watch for this. Now here it is on the infrared imagery. I think these are outdated because I set all this up like an hour or two before. But we'll just go with it because I don't want to let the images have to reload again. We can see here it's looking pretty good. It's got the spiral bands. Let me get a different color. Red just looks horrible. As well, there's red all the way happening. White it is. It's got a lot of that spiral banding to it, like you normally associate with hurricanes. It looks like its eye is trying to deepen out right there. So this is what just happened. These images were all loaded in. Well, what? What has happened to the satellite imageries? What is happening? These were all loaded in. Fine, we'll look at these. Here's 97L. We can see this is looking kind of trashy. Not looking that good. Not that much organization to it at all. Over here with 98L, this is looking pretty good. It's got a lot of convection blowing up. Really, this thing, I wouldn't be surprised if by tomorrow this becomes a tropical depression. I wouldn't be surprised at all. Are the images loaded in yet? Yes, I think they have. So, it's very short imagery, but from what we can... I'm just going to pause it right there. Right there. We can see it's looking really good. This is really what you think a Category 2 would look like. We can see the coast of Mexico right here. So there's Mexico, which is very well could go on to impact later on, as we can see right here. I can't remember the order. I think it's Baja California here, and Baja California Sur. I think it's that way, or either the opposite way around, with this being Baja California Sur and this being Baja California. I think the way I said it was right, but I'm not entirely sure on that. So again, along with... Actually, what was it? Oh yeah, the pronunciation and that. Please tell me down there. Now this is all to do with today's update, and I'd like to thank you for watching, and have a